Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. If you have any question, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp, or you drop your question down there in the comment section. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, okay, and it is still on uptrend, still buying. It broke out from this particular resistance zone, and of course you can see it when there is a breakout. You will always see it going in that direction for a very long time. Okay, so you can see it buying more right from there. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. This had also been on uptrend for a very long time, but it has not been able to break out from this resistance zone. So it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. So we expect it to sell more. Okay, we expect it to get to this region first. If it breaks out from here, then definitely it will sell more right from there, and it may likely get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So for now, this is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on uptrend for a while, and of course played around there for a while, but it broke out above this resistance zone to buy more, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so this is Paynex Paynex 999, and of course it had been on uptrend for a while, but after getting to this resistance zone, it has not been able to break out above it. So it started a downtrend. You can see the downtrend signal, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It was on uptrend before, but after getting to this resistance, it was unable to break out above it. So it started a downtrend, and so till it got to this region. So it is finding difficult to break out below this support zone at the moment, but it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so we expect more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this particular support zone. But if it does not, it may likely go back on uptrend. So we need to that. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully before you go. You apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank